Are you still recording school income and expenses manually and struggling to know where your money goes? What if your school ledger could calculate everything automatically without internet, without subscription, and without stress? I am Engineer Wahab Kabir from Edugreat Technology Solutions, and today I'm introducing a powerful solution every school owner and bursar needs: the automated school ledger Excel template. Many schools still struggle with manual ledger entries, calculation errors, no clear financial summary, and difficult tracking income and expenses. This often leads to confusion, poor decision, and financial leakages. This automated school ledger Excel template is designed specifically for schools, simple, smart, and reliable. And the best part, one-time payment, no subscription, and works completely offline. Key features. Here is what this template can do for your school. Number one, automated income and expense recording. Just enter figures once. Calculations are done automatically. Number two, built-in ledger structure. Properly organized like a standard accounting ledger. Number three, auto totals and balance. No calculator needed, no errors. Number four, monthly and timely tracking. Easily monitor financial performance over time. Number five, clear financial summary. Instantly know your school's financial position. Number six, Excel based and user friendly. No accounting software knowledge required. Number seven, offline operations. It works without internet, anytime, anywhere. How to use automated school ledger Excel template. This template is very simple to use because it's automated. Let's start with date entry. When you enter your date, the serial number and the day will be updated automatically. The serial number, you cannot enter it manually. If you try to enter it manually, see what will happen. It will not accept it. If you want to enter the day as well, it will not accept it. So you enter the date, so that serial number and the day will be automated automatically. Let's let's say that it's December 30. You enter the month first, 12 stroke 31, 2025, 25. You can see the serial number is not there, the day is not there. You see what you have on our enter and see the serial number and the day have been updated automatically. The particulars, let's enter the particulars. Enter the particulars. Maybe the is our is income, fees. So it's income. You select the income from here. Let's select it from this drop arrow. Select your income. It will change the color code for is green and essence is pink. So enter the income. Let's enter in the income. Let's say the income is 40,000 naira. You can see it has updated automatically. See now, this is your income. You have selected your income. Let's enter into expense now. It will not accept it. Let's try it. 25,000 naira. You can see now, wrong entry. This is an income. You now cancel it. So this is 43,000 naira. Now, assuming that you want to enter another one now, December, maybe January 1, that's January 1, 2026. You see, so you can see now it has updated automatically. Maybe it's expense. Maybe you buy textbook, textbook. Now let's enter our expense. Enter your expense, it's expense, select it. So let's enter it into the income. If you not accept it, let's say it's 25,000 naira. You can see now, wrong entry. This is an expense. Cancel it. So let's enter it into expense, 25,000 naira. You can see now, it has accepted it. It has accepted it. Now, your opening balance, if you don't have any opening balance, I use 5,000 as my opening balance for the school, for the term or for the session. So if you don't have any opening balance, you delete it, change it to zero, delete it. You can see now, it has updated automatically. You can see. So now, your start, this is your closing balance. This is the closing balance. You can see this is 18,000, this is also 18,000 naira. This is your closing balance. Now, your start month is the first date you enter here. The first day you enter here is your starting month. You can see it's December 2025. You can see December 26, 2025. You can see it's automated. You can't change it. You can't change it. It's automated. It's automated. That's how to use the automated school ledger Excel template.
With this template, you will save time on bookkeeping, reduce financial errors, improves transparency and accountability, make better financial decisions, present clear records when needed. This tool is perfect for school owners, bursars, account officers, and administrators. Whether you run a primary, secondary, or private school, this ledger template is built to support your daily financial operations. If you are ready to simplify your school's financial records and work smarter, not harder, contact now to get the automated school ledger Excel template. Remember, it's one-time payment, no subscription, and fully offline. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology for Educators for more smart digital solutions for schools. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.